I'd say, well, same, I think in the conversation, I said I'd rather go and have my eye done than go to the dentist. And I'm not frightened of the dentist, but I'd rather have my eye done. Because of the dentist, you do really feel the needle going in and everything else, and I never felt a thing.
Well, I could give them every reassurance, or I've got an infection in mind. It doesn't happen to everybody, I suppose, but no, I would highly recommend it. Get it done. You won't believe the difference.
Well, you don't feel a thing, and it doesn't take long. You know, it takes you longer going from one place to another, having your eye drops in, and then they put a little pellet in, and then you go. And I think you're only in there about 10 minutes having it done. And you can't feel a thing when you come out anyway, so it's lovely.
Well, I would tell them to book here, to try and book here, go to a referral and choose SpaMedica, because they're all good reports. I know mine are, and I know people that have been here. And I would say you've nothing to be frightened of. It's just 25 minutes at the most, and it'll be finished with. And of course, they'll start, oh, I dare go. Oh no, are they going to stick a needle in my eye, you know, and this and that. And I said, look, they're fully qualified people. Be grateful for the new technology, what we've got. We could have been blind, you know. You don't see anybody blind much now. And it's just getting round, making them, giving them a push, you know, to come and have them done. Yeah.
Have it done. Don't be frightened of it. The other alternative is not being able to see. My mother had cataract surgery done quite a few years ago, and she was saying, she's 92, she was saying to me when I'd said about I'd got cataracts and going to have surgery, oh, go for it, she said. We'd planted flowers outside her front door, and when she'd had the surgery, within a day or so, she was amazed at the colours of those flowers. Like I've said about my grandson, being able to see him play football is brilliant. Don't be worried about it. There's no pain. Everything's been fine. The staff are great. They'll reassure you.
It won't hurt. You won't get any nasty surprises because everything will be explained beforehand, and it just happens exactly as you explained to you. And there really is nothing to worry about, and everybody is so helpful and pleasant and reassuring. Yes, it's good.
You don't need to be nervous at all. It's like I say, it's a non-invasive, no pain, it's pain-free. You know, it's like a little uncomfortable, couldn't lie on that bit, but there is no pain, and you're in and out so quick. You'll be fine, definitely go for it.
You're going to be nervous, obviously, because I was, but my advice is just come here, get it done, and it'll make a massive difference to the quality of your life. So I'd recommend this place. Come here and get looked after, and as I say, your life will improve, quality-wise, tenfold.
Oh, don't be afraid of anything, because everybody is so reassuring, and you don't feel a thing, and you feel nothing, even when they're putting the drops in. You know, because I thought, oh, they're going to put a big injection in my eye, but no. And like I say, they're so reassuring for you, and you know, I'd recommend it to anybody and say, you know, don't be feared, because there's nothing, and there's no pain, none whatsoever. You can't feel a thing.
Just don't worry unduly, because yeah, there's bound to be concern. It's your eye, and we all value our eyesight very, very highly. But the procedure is pain-free, that's for sure. There's lots of bright lights and those sorts of effects, but beyond that, it really is pain-free, seamless procedure and over with, what, 1.5, 2 hours, and you're out the other end, so to speak, and the improvements begin from there. So just don't worry unduly at all.
Don't worry, and get it done as quick as you can.
Nothing to be worried about at all, nothing. And I must admit, I was. But they were just fantastic. I mean, all the staff makes you feel at ease, and that means a lot. Making you feel a lot. And then you sat in rooms with other people that's having it done and where they come from. And that makes you feel at ease, being able to have a chat rather than just all sat there looking at each other. Yeah, it's been lovely.
Well, because I've had such good treatment, I'd say you're in safe hands. Nothing to worry about. You're taken care of from coming through the door to leaving. And just follow the instructions and you'll be okay.
It didn't hurt whatsoever, and it was over with, and you think, oh God, is it that simple? But it is. And there's no fear, because maybe I have to have the left one done, but I wouldn't even dream of being frightened of it. I'd just come and get it done and go back home. So, and of course, we're living on my own. You know, you want to be sure that you can do everyday tasks. But yeah, it's brilliant.
Please go, because it doesn't hurt you. And all staff are nice. I says it's lovely. You know, you're like seeing everything again. It's nice.